Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make compact curvy garden bench. Okay, first of all we have to make a basic shape with rotated rectangle, and we can place on the origin, and we can set the height of the bench. We can set the height around 800 millimeter, and then we can set the length of the bench itself around 1500 millimeter. Okay, and then we have to push it up with the push tool. You can push it up around 1000 millimeter. Okay, and after that we can make the curvy from of this back bench and the front bench. Right here we can use 2-point arc to make it. We can use 2-point arc. We can select this um, back anyway. Okay, and then we can select this. Okay, and then we can use this tool, tape measure tool, to set the height of the top of bench around 350 millimeter, and after that we can set the 2-point arc again with this position, and then we can make a curve in this line anyway. Okay, we can make curve in this line, and then we can make line in this guideline. Okay, and then we can make it smoother than this with 2-point arc, and select the two destination right here. Then we can delete some unnecessary line with the select shift to add on one time, and then we can select the unnecessary line like a guiding line. Just erase it, and then we can push this unnecessary shape on it. Then we have to push it until the limit, and then we have to push it until the limit also, and also this back anyway. Okay, and we can triple click with left click this object, right click and make group, and also we can edit the white as we want anyway. We can just select this object and select it with a left click, and we can enlarge it with a move tool. We can enlarge it with the move tool. Okay, left click. Okay, we just select this side of the bench, and then we can move it to the front, so we can adjust the height of this bench itself. Okay, I think it's enough, and anyway we can also make it more curvy than this sharp corner with a 2-point arc, just a little curvy right here. Then we can push it plane to the limit with a push tool, and then it will be complete. And also maybe we can make it more curvy, just a little curvy right here. We can push it until the limit, just double click, so it will be automatically, because it save previous method. Okay, and then we can push it until the limit, so it has been finished. The other simple compact curvy garden bench, and then we can assign with a concrete material. Okay, like this, and then we can make a base plane with we can make a base plane with we have to push it down to make a thickness, and then we can assign a material with landscaping. Okay, with landscaping vegetation grass, and then we can assign it to this plane anyway. And also okay, I think it's enough, or maybe we can make shadow to make it more clear than before. Okay, and I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope all of you get a lot of benefit from this video, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.